boring to let her across from the depot, but the bar stool she took off her ring. I thought I'd get closer, so I walked on over. I sat down and asked her her name. When the drinks finally hit her, she said I'm no quitter, but I finally quit living on dreams. I'm hungry for laughter and here ever after. I'm after whatever the other lives brings. In the mirror I saw him and I closely watched him. They thought I could look out of place. He came to the woman who sat there beside me. He had a strange look on his face. The big hands were colors, he looked like a mountain. For a minute I thought I was dead, but he started shaking, his big heart was breaking. He turned to the woman and said, "You pick a fun time to leave me, Lucy. Before all the children and I grew up in the field. I've had some bad times, lived through some sad times, but this time you're hurting won't heal. You picked a fun time to leave me, Lucy." After 11, I ordered more whiskey. I thought how she made him look small. From the lights of the barroom to a rented hotel room, we walked without talking at all. She was a beauty, but when she came to me, she must have thought I lost my mind. I couldn't hold her, 'cause the words that he told her keep coming back time after time. You pick a fun time to leave me, Lucy. With 4 of the children and a crop in the field. I had some bad times, lived through some sad times, but this time you're hurting won't heal. You pick a fun time to leave me, Lucy. You pick a fun time to leave me, Lucy. With 4 of the children and a crop in the field. I've had some bad times, lived through some sad times, but this time you're hurting won't heal. You picked a fun time to leave me, Lucy. Pick a fun time to leave me, Lucy.